If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably noticed the growing buzz around wellness jelly sticks. And one that keeps popping up is the Foodology Coleology Cutting Jelly. But the big question is it really a legit wellness booster or just another cleverly marketed snack? This product is designed as a pomegranate-flavored jelly stick packed with chia seeds and collagen, and it claims to help with digestion, appetite control, bloating, energy levels, and even skin health, all in a convenient format you can throw in your bag and enjoy on the go without spills or mess. A lot of people are drawn to it because it feels like a treat rather than a supplement, with a fruity taste that's a refreshing alternative to pills or powders, and the added texture of chia seeds makes it feel like you're actually eating something substantial. Some users say they noticed that it curbed their cravings between meals, gave them a lighter feeling in their stomach, and even made their daily routine a little easier to stick with, especially if they're watching calories or focusing on diet goals. Others have shared that with consistent use, they felt a small boost in their skin's hydration and overall energy, which makes sense since collagen and chia are known for supporting those areas. However, it's not all glowing reviews. There are reports of mild digestive discomfort, especially for those who are sensitive to fiber or collagen-based products, and the effectiveness seems to depend a lot on individual body types and lifestyles, so results can vary widely. Some people see it as a fun wellness snack that makes them feel like they're taking better care of themselves, while others believe it's more of a trendy gimmick that may not deliver major long-term results, beyond being a tasty low-calorie jelly. Overall, Foodology Cutting Jelly sits in that gray area where it isn't a scam, but it also isn't a miracle product. It can be a useful addition to your routine if you enjoy the taste and want something easy and portable, but it's definitely not a replacement for balanced nutrition and healthy habits. So whether it becomes your next go-to wellness treat or just another trend you try once and move on from really depends on your expectations and how your body responds.